Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. Duel Links is a dynamic digital card game where your primary goal is to strategically reduce your opponent's life points from 4,000 down to 0. Each player begins with 4 cards in their hand and a compact deck of 20 to 30 cards. The game features a simplified field and rules compared to the traditional card game, making duels incredibly fast-paced, often concluding in just a few minutes. Get ready for quick, strategic fun. Let's explore the duel field. Each player has 3 monster zones for their creatures, 3 spell and trap zones for support cards, and 1 dedicated field spell zone. Monster cards are your primary attackers and defenders, each possessing attack and defense points. Spell cards offer immediate or continuous effects, activated from your hand or after being set. Trap cards, however, are set face down and typically activated during your opponent's turn, providing crucial defensive or disruptive surprises. Understanding these zones is key. Now, let's talk about bringing monsters to the field and engaging in combat. You can perform 1 normal summon per turn. Monsters with 4 stars or less can be summoned without any tributes. However, monsters with 5 or 6 stars require 1 monster tribute, and those with 7 or more stars demand 2 tributes. During your battle phase, your monsters can attack. You can target your opponent's monsters, or, if their field is clear, attack their life points directly to deal damage. Finally, let's cover spells, traps, and how to secure victory. Spell cards are typically activated during your main phase, offering immediate boosts, removals, or other strategic advantages. Trap cards, once set face down, can be flipped open during either player's turn, providing reactive defense or disruption. Mastering the timing of these cards is vital. Your ultimate goal is to reduce your opponent's life points from 4,000 to 0, or achieve victory by fulfilling unique conditions of certain powerful cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.